Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a really fun, creative, blue inspired eye look. This one. Obviously, this one here is looking a little bit bare today, so I'm going to show you guys how I did this eye look and put it on this one so we can learn something a bit more creative and fun. Seriously, there's a fly in here and I'm not liking it. You're gonna annoy me so much. I feel like I'm gonna have to, oh no, he's landed. He's landed. It's kind of like Mermaid inspired as well, because you can see here there's like the prettiest iridescent eyeshadow that just sparkles in the light and I love it. So we're going to be using that for a bit of a pop on this smoky cat eye today. If I sound a little bit raspy or muddle my words up and just talk absolute gibberish, please excuse me. I am actually quite sick at the moment, but I really wanted to film a video for you guys because I couldn't film over the weekend and it absolutely sucked. So that is why I'm here, and if I sound a bit like a man, just excuse my voice and let's just roll on to the makeup look. So as you guys can see, I've basically got all of my makeup on at the moment. I did want to show you guys this amazing highlight. This is new from Wet n Wild. I've got to put the lid on so I can show you guys properly. Give it a wee clean because I'm really bad at keeping my makeup products clean, I'm not gonna lie. So cute, eh? I love the packaging with the skull. It's holographic as well. So this is new from Wet n Wild and this is one of their loose highlighting powders and it is in the shade Moon Tears. Very cute. So we're going to be looking a little bit moony and a little bit mermaidy today, I think. So I just like to pop a couple of holes at the top here and then tap it in. I never peel that sticker off, just so you guys know. It will get everywhere if you do that. So if you put a couple of holes in the little protective sticker, I guess you'd call it, then it doesn't get absolutely everywhere. There is a fly in here and he is driving me up the wall. If you see me like awkwardly swatting my arms around, just excuse me. Can you see that highlight? This is what I'm talking about. This is amazing. I feel like this is really bad that I found this because I'm just going to bathe in this highlight 24/7. Whew, I'm glowing to the gods. Might put a little bit more on my nose as well. Because we need to look healthy, you know, we need to look really shiny. Okay, let's get on to the eyes. So, first step that we're going to do is take MAC Painterly Paint Pot and just dab a little bit on the eyes. Give us some protection. Oh my god, I just dug a really big hole in the center of mine. Oops. You just gonna have to excuse me guys because I literally have no idea what I'm up to at the moment. I'm like a bit of a mess. Probably should be in bed, not gonna lie, but you know, you only live once and time is ticking. I feel like literally it was Christmas yesterday. We're halfway through the year almost and I don't know where the time has gone. It is crazy. I'm going to Europe in a couple of months as well and I just am starting to shit myself pretty much. I'm like, oh my god, what do? I need to pack because tomorrow I'm going to be going. It's just so crazy. So I don't even know what's going on. So this is one of the products we will be using today, the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. We are going to be taking this colour here through the crease. So this is going to be our warm crease colour. Add a little bit of a pop to the eyes, I guess. And then this blue. These are the only two colours I will be using from the palette today, so I will not be bringing this up again. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and put that over my eyeball. Over my crease. Eyelid, that's the word. all those cold and flu tablets making me a bit delusional. You guys are probably going to be thinking like, there's something wrong with this girl, she needs to disappear. Yep, that looks good enough to me. So, now we are going to be sneaky. Of course you can take concealer to kind of define the crease a little bit more, like cut the crease I guess, but I'm going to be taking my Manky foundation bottle. Yes, like I said, I'm not very good at cleaning my products. That's okay though. And we're just going to be taking a tiny bit of that on a concealer brush, or if you like me, taking a whole shite ton. Whoops. Alright. Now's the hard part. I've got to match up this shape to this shape. It's like the whole your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters not twins situation. So if they're not identical, don't crucify me. Oh my god, what am I up to? My eyelids are a little bit saggy, so you know, like it can be a bit hard to get them to stay in the place that I want. We're going to be taking a flat brush and that blue eyeshadow and just patting that on. So we're kind of doing like a halo effect. Leave the center bare. Whoa, that lighting has gotten so bright. What's going on? Okay, so we're going to be leaving the center bare and filling in the sides. Oh, I thought that I just spelt blue. For some reason I felt like I just got in it everywhere. Did any of you guys watch the royal wedding? I watched part of it because I was really sick. I was lying on the couch already and I thought, okay, we'll have a wee gaze at what's going on. And I looked very beautiful. I'm just going to put it out there. I would really like to be a princess now and have a beautiful wedding in a castle basically. Don't think that's going to happen, but you know, I can always dream. We're going to take a little squared flat brush so we can get in and wing that out a little bit more. So as you can see, I've just kind of created a triangle shape, and now I'm bringing that one thin line out because that's what I've done to wing out the eye there. You can see it's looking a little bit botched here, but that is a-okay. But that's just life, you know. One of the joys of being a makeup artist in the industry. You know what? This lighting is really frustrating me at the moment. 1 minute it's good, the next minute it sucks. Cool. I've got the shape that I want. I'm just going to elongate it now. Taking that same brush, you can see it's very, very small, which is what we want to be able to shape this eye. And we're just defining that a little bit more. Ooh, exciting. I've never actually done an extremely bold eye look like this on my channel. These types of brushes are so handy to have for underneath as well. So we're just going to take some more of that blue and put some again on the outside and then on the inside and leave the center bare. Just like that, because we are going to be taking that center halo part and putting underneath too. Perfect. Very happy with that now. So next step, we are going to be taking another new favourite from Wet n Wild, and that is a liquid Catsuit liquid eyeshadow. See that colour? Yes, we're going Mermaid-esque, and this is in the shade Goth Tears. I don't think that is a suitable name. This does not look gothic. We're just going to pat it in the halo and take a flat brush. So I'm going to take that same flat brush and blend that out. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Oh my god, that is beautiful. We're just going to lightly tap it so it blends out nicely, because I would hate for it to just get all clumpy on the eye. Oh, that looks so pretty. Love it. Cool. Very happy. And because I'm in love with that highlight, oh, oopsie, I forgot to put a tiny bit under my eye, just in that centre halo part. We're going to be taking that same highlight again that we put on the face. If I can get any out. And we are going to spritz it. So I'm using the MAC Fix Plus spray. Just one little spray. And put it in the inner corner. Yes. And popping it at the bottom here too. I feel like I need a little bit more. Another spray. Tapping it on and blending it into the mermaid colour. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Yes, love it. And then of course we can't forget under the eye. Now for the mascara, I'm only putting a tiny layer of mascara on, because I find if I put too much on, it's really obvious with my lashes if I don't separate them, and I can't be bothered separating them today. So alrighty, found the eyelash finally. So we're just going to pop that on. Push them together. I'm going to put another little coat of mascara on in a second too. So the mascara that I've been using is the Stila Huge Lash Mascara. I don't know, it's just my favourite at the moment. Somehow I've managed to get glue all over my hand as well. What's new? Now, tiny bit more mascara. It's also for the ends. So then I'll put a tiny bit more here. Oh. So then I can push them together like this. Perfect. And voila, that is the completed eye look. I love it. I think I might actually add a little bit of this lip topper as well. This is from the same Wet n Wild collection. I just really want to see how it looks with the eyes, because it's like a really pretty rose gold colour. So we're just gonna take a little bit in the center here, and then pat it out. Oh, that's so pretty. Like over top of a lip color like this, like a nice medium nude. Oh, I like it. Just adds like a tiny bit of sheen actually, like it's got a little bit of a glitter sparkle in it. So this is the finished makeup look. I am in love. It's something a little bit more creative than what I normally do, as in shaping and a bold colour. I don't generally do blue looks, so I thought this was so fun. If you guys would like me to create more looks like this, leave a comment down below and let me know. And I also have a giveaway coming out at the end of this week, so make sure you guys have subscribed and clicked the little bell part down below, because it will notify you when my giveaway video goes up. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!